Just sorting this. Okay, I had some memory left. Seeing I just uploaded the other video, so I thought I'll motor on. I've done a bit while you were uploading. So I've done quite a bit while you were uploading, actually. I'll let you see. So I'm not sure how much more I'm going to do with the acrylic layer. That's what I've done. I'm not sure how much more I'm going to do with the acrylic layer, but there's a few things. You kind of don't want to go into too much detail in order to leave something for the oil. I think I said in the last video, it's helpful if you put in the darks in acrylic and then let the lights be breathed into the painting through the oil paint. I also moved you a little bit because I think I was standing right in front of you the whole time there. Anyway, hey-ho. Right, so I splashed on some paint there, and as I wipe it away, it's not that exciting. I thought it might have left a nice mark. That's okay. Don't really want it to be too dramatically textured there anyway. And I've been kind of carving out the shape of the flowers over here with the background coming up to meet where the primroses would be. And the other thing I've done is brought in some purple. I'm actually in the process of putting purple in, the acrylic purple in, knowing that I can make it darker, brighter with the, well, probably, no, I can go dark and light with the oil paint. So this purple might be seen as a dark to mid-tone that I'm putting down just now. And I never looked up what these flowers are called. I couldn't remember the name of them yesterday. And I suppose it didn't bother me that much. It didn't bother me enough, obviously, that I looked them up. So you can put the answer in the comments below if you want to give me an education on my botanical plants. Right. So this, I love when flowers are turned to the side. So there's two facing me here, and then the third one. It's usually quite good. I think it's probably a thing in flower arranging that you have three of things. And I feel like it's good in painting too, not to just stick with the two eyes looking out there, two purple eyes, but to have a third one so that there's a bit of symmetry or energy between them. I can see Margot's at the window there wanting to come in, but she's just going to have to wait now. Right, and I think I could do it a little bit more Payne's grey in the outline of that jug on the left side there as well. So the Payne's grey is almost like black. I find if you don't have Payne's grey, you can make it through mixing alizarin crimson and viridian green. Payne's grey is a great old colour for portraits as well. It's really nice. I remember doing a portrait of a model called Jill on a Payne's grey background. I don't know, Pat, if you're watching, you bought that painting from the Merchant Gallery in Glasgow. But I really loved, and I've not really done it since, I really loved the Payne's grey as a background for the skin, and she had a lovely headband on. And it just really made those things stand out. So Payne's grey, that's generally what that is in the background. Maybe making it a bit dark there in that gap. And of course it'll be curtain here, but it's no harm for it to read as being fairly similar to the other side of the leaf, just in this bit anyway. Okay. And I have a few paintings in the Torrance Gallery exhibition. They have an online exhibition. You know Fiona McCrindle, who does the Edinburgh Drawing School classes. She's lovely. She's got she's the owner of the Edinburgh Drawing School, who I used to work for, and she also now has taken over the Torrance Art Gallery. And there's some great paintings. I mean, I think I've got about 10 in the exhibition, and it's great. She sold one yesterday. And there's, I know Sheena Phillips, who does beautiful watercolour work, has got some paintings on it. And there's lots of others exhibiting, so have a look at the online. I'll maybe stick it in the links below. Have a look at the online show. And just so that we're being real with the time, it's this is 2020, during the isolation phase in the UK. That's why there's an online exhibition rather than the actual exhibition, which had been planned for spring. That's good.